good evening, and welcome to Storytelling Live. Not yet. This is a preview, and I'm trying to get you guys excited to see Markheim coming up this Christmas Eve at 7:30 Pacific Time and 10:30 on the East Coast and 9:30 Mountain. There will be drinks and music and songs and everything you need for a good Christmas Eve. It's a nice, scary story to put the kids to sleep. And this is Markheim. This is Robert Louis Stevenson, Treasure Island, Long John Silver. Everybody knows the guy, right? Or do you? He also did you know the guy, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Which, if you're fans of this program, I read it a few years ago, and it's there in the archives, and you can probably see it later on tonight. This is your preview, and I've got a special gift for you. I've got the same old scarfie as ever, because this is my Christmas thing that I wear. And for us, we have, even more than ever, a possible, if it will work out, oh my god, yay, tra-la-la-la. It's all happening this Christmas Eve. Markheim by Robert Louis Stevenson. Music, wonderful music. You're gonna love this stuff. Interesting videos. Great show lined up for you. Please show up. Okay? I'll see you then.